Hey, this lesson is on writing introductions and starting your paper off right. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define an introduction paragraph and explain its purpose in an essay, list, define, and explain the purposes of an introduction's required elements, and write an extra introduction paragraph for an expository essay. So your keywords are introduction paragraphs and their required elements, which are the lead or a hook, background information or a problem, and the thesis statement. Introduction paragraphs are the first paragraph of a paper which are designed to get your reader's attention and introduce your topic, as well as preview your organizational structure. To accomplish this, you will have three basic parts: your lead or the hook, the background information or the problem, and your thesis statement. So your lead, otherwise known as the hook, is there to get your reader's attention. It's something brief but interesting, 1 to 2 sentences, that relates to the topic and therefore brings your reader into the paper. From there, you would go with background information, otherwise known as a problem. This is just telling your reader what they need to understand so they know what you're talking about. So it might be a definition like, what is a general surgeon? Or it might be laying out the type of problem that comes with pollution, etc. To do this, you would want to, again, keep it brief. 2 to 3 sentences should cover it. And just define your main idea. You do not want to go into your supporting points or get into a lot of detail here. It's also there to set up your thesis statement. So all of this is kind of building up to your main idea and claim in the paper. And your thesis statement in an informative paper is your topic plus your supporting points. If you were writing a persuasive paper, it would be your topic plus your claim plus your supporting points. But what this does is names your central idea and maps out your paper's organizational structure. Your requirements are that they need to be a single sentence and they need to clearly state the main idea. Plus, they need to list all the supporting points briefly and in order. We will focus on this sentence heavily when you start writing your introduction paragraphs, and you really should be able to pull strongly from your working thesis statement for the paper that we're working on. So to sum up, introduction paragraphs start your paper off on the right foot because they get your reader's attention, name your main idea, and map out the paper's order.